How do you do, folks? In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed comparison between Rytr and Wordhero. Be sure to stick around to the end so that you can know our best pick out of all these tools. Let's start off with the pricing. Now, Wordhero comes with a bunch of options available. They have the $49 per month option, whereby you get access to all writing tools. You get the long form editor and keyword assistant. You're able to use up to 100 languages they have available in their editor. The other option is to pay $348 per year, whereby you get the same features, but you pay less compared to that one. Save more if you go for a yearly option than paying per month. Now, there's another option available which I will show you in a moment, but let's first look at the reviews over on Trustpilot. This is wordhero.co, and you can see 83% excellent and average. So this is pretty much a good sign that it's a good tool. Now, this is another review that you can read through. Now, the advantage of reading through these search reviews is that you get an idea of what this person was looking for and didn't get out of the tool, so they decided to switch. Now, the good thing I like about Wordhero is that they have a very great fund policy. Switching over to Rytr, you can see right here is that Rytr is pretty much the same. They have a bunch of great reviews and it's one of the best copywriting tools with a free plan. So as you can see here, 91% excellent, great, and some others as well. Looking at the pricing, you can see right here, Rytr has a free plan whereby you get up to 5,000 characters and you can use up to 30 languages. Now with the other plans, it's the same features, but a bunch more additions are available. Looking at the pricing plans, we see that it starts over at $9 per month and $29 per month. This is quite cheaper compared to Wordhero right here, which is $49 per month and $348. With the $49 per month, you get to write unlimited content, yet with the $29 per month and $290 a year, whereby you get 2 months free on top of that. If you subscribe now using the links in the description, you get unlimited content for a cheaper price. So I would go for this one here, which is $29 per month, to get unlimited content per month written using Rytr, rather than going for $49 per month. But there is another option available. Using the links in the description, you can get a copy of Wordhero AI Copywriter, which is a lifetime deal, and you get to pay less compared to going for the monthly options. And you can scroll through here to see all the capabilities you get with this lifetime deal via the links in the description. Now you can check out the reviews of other people, what they have to say as well on the AppSumo website. I'll leave a link to this. And with this lifetime deal, you get access to redeem this in 60 days from the time of purchase. So they will email you the redeem code and you get updates on all future changes made in Wordhero, and 60-day money back guarantee with no reasons, like with no questions asked. This is one of the reasons as to why I like Wordhero, is that get your money back if you don't like the software for whatever reason. So has to go for a new tool altogether, I would go for Rytr if you have the ability to pay for the $29 per month option. By looking at the pricing options, I would go for Rytr, $29 per month if you can't afford the $49 per month. But if you, just like I said, if you have the ability, you can go for the lifetime deal if you want. If you hit on start writing here and we say SEO meta title right here, all you have to do is simply enter a bunch of keywords in here. The article about best trends for camping, you can choose from a number of variants you want written. Number of variants are a bunch of options you want written, so you go for 3. Then creativity level, go for optimal right here. Now write for me. Now what this does is that it's going to write for you content that's guaranteed to ensure that your website shows up in Google. This is one of the best features that I really like about Rytr. Let's say you wanted to write the SEO meta title, best camping tents. This is a great option. Best camping tents for your next adventure. These are creative titles written for you in just a couple of minutes. This is really great. I really like that. Now let's say you wanted to write the SEO meta description. You can keep the same keyword. So let's say best camping tents. is the keyword we're going for. We paste that in here and we go right for me. Then we want 3 variants the same, optimal level, keeping it the same, and we are writing content right here. As you can see here, these are the titles we generated. This is the variant we have here. Whether you are a seasoned camper or just explore the great outdoors, you need comfortable and a safe tent. Great introduction, great meta description. You can keep it as the introduction and the description on your website. So this is how easy it is. Now you can check out these other features. You can rephrase, improve, you can paragraph once again, you can continue writing, and there's a bunch more features here. Append means add on a few words at the end. Plagiarism is to check for any form of span content from other websites. You can shorten, you can expand it. Great tool altogether. So that's how easy it is to use Rytr. I don't own Wordhero, but it's another great tool. Because of the higher pricing option, I'm not able to go for that. So this is a great tool. Check them out via links in the description. Let me know what your thoughts are and questions in the comment section of this very video. We shall see you in the next video.